What if I told you you could make £1,000 in just 1 week without any special skills? No coding, no marketing degree, not even a fancy laptop. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, AI tools are making this possible for ordinary people. People just like you and me. I'm not talking about risky trading or complicated tech jobs. I'm talking about using free or cheap AI tools that do most of the work for you while you keep the profits. When I first started, I had zero experience. I didn't know how to run a business. I didn't even know how these AI tools worked. But within a few days, I had my first sale. And within a week, I had made over £1,000. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I did. I'll show you the tools I used, the step-by-step process, and the little tricks that helped me get results faster. And if you watch till the end, I'll give you a bonus AI hack that can double your income without extra work. It's something most beginners don't know about, but it can save you hours and make you more money. Let's jump in. The first thing I had to figure out was this. What service or product can I sell that people actually want? I didn't want to waste time on something that's just cool, but doesn't make money, so I looked for something in high demand. I found it. Social media content creation for small businesses. Here's the truth. Businesses in 2025 know they need to post on social media every day, but they don't have time to make content. That's where I stepped in. The AI tool that changed everything I used, Canva Magic Studio. It's free to start, and it has AI features that make content creation super fast. You just type in what you want, like Instagram posts for a bakery about fresh croissants, and it gives you a ready-to-use design in seconds. Then, I used ChatGPT to write captions, hashtags, and even ideas for the next week's posts. I didn't have to design from scratch. I didn't have to think about what to write. It was all done for me. How I got my first client? I went to Facebook groups and searched for small business owners in my area. I messaged a few and offered to make 3 free sample posts for them. Within 24 hours, one bakery owner loved my designs and hired me to manage their Instagram for £250 week. That was just my first client. Once I had one, getting the next few became much easier. By the end of the week, I had 4 clients in. I hit £1,000. In the next section, I'll show you the second AI tool I used to make my work even faster, and how it helped me deliver in hours instead of days. Once I had my first few clients, I faced a new challenge. How do I create high-quality work fast so I can handle more clients without getting stressed? That's when I found my second secret weapon, Pictory AI. Turning posts into videos. Pictory AI takes your text or blog posts and instantly turns them into short, engaging videos perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Here's why this was a game changer. Video posts get way more views than images. Clients are willing to pay extra for video content. I didn't have to edit anything myself, I did it all. Simply copied the captions I got from ChatGPT, pasted them into Pictory, Pictostyle, and boom. The AI created a full video with stock footage, text animations, and background music. Upselling without extra work. When I delivered the first set of videos to my bakery client, they loved it so much, they doubled my payment for that week. I then offered all my other clients an image plus video package for an extra £50 a week. Most of them said yes. It's the impact because Pictory AI did the editing for me. I could create a week's worth of videos in under 1 hour. That meant I could take on more clients. Without spending more time, my weekly income shot up even faster. In the next section, I'll reveal the third AI tool I use to automate boring tasks like scheduling posts and tracking results, so I could focus on finding more clients and making more money. By week 2, I had more clients than I expected. This was good for money, but bad for my time. I couldn't keep posting manually for every single client every day. I needed automation. The tool that saved my time, I discovered Buffer, an AI-powered social media scheduler. It let me upload all my posts, choose the times, and then it posted them automatically, even while I was asleep. I could plan an entire month of content for a client in just one afternoon. That meant I had more time to talk to new clients and create better content. Why this was important when you're just starting out. It's easy to get stuck doing repetitive work. But if you want to make serious money, you have to free up your time. Automation tools like Buffer, or even later in Hootsuite, do exactly that. The side benefit buffer also gave me analytics. Which posts got the most likes? What time people were most active? Which type of content worked best? I used this data to impress clients. When I showed them how much their engagement went up, most agreed to long-term contracts instead of weekly deals. At this point, I wasn't just making £1,000 a week. I was working fewer hours and had predictable income every month. In the next section, it'll share how I found clients willing to pay high rates in the simple script I used to get their attention. Making content was now easy for me. The real challenge, finding clients who would pay more. Where I looked, instead of chasing small businesses with tight budgets, I targeted real estate agents, online coaches, e-commerce store owners. These people understand the value of good content. If it helps them get even one sale, it's worth hundreds to them. My simple outreach script. Here's exactly what I would send on Instagram or LinkedIn. Hi, name. I noticed your business type page could use more engaging content to attract customers. I create professional posts and short videos using AI tools, fast and affordable. I'd love to send you 3 free samples for your page. No strings attached. Interested? Why it works? It's short and direct. You're offering value first, free samples. You're not pushing for a sale right away. Once they saw my free samples, most asked for a price list. And because I had automation set up, I could handle more clients at higher rates without getting overloaded. The big win, one real estate agent in London hired me for £600 a month just for Instagram videos. That's one client covering more than half my weekly goal. I only needed a few like that to hit £1,000 a week consistently. In the next section, I'll reveal how I kept clients for months instead of just 1 week. This part is key if you want steady income. Getting a client is great, but keeping them is where the real money is. If you keep replacing clients every week, you'll always be chasing work. But if clients stay for months, your income becomes predictable. My retention formula, I used 3 simple steps. Deliver early. I sent content a day or 2 before the deadline. It made me look reliable and professional. Show results. Every 2 weeks, I shared a simple report from Buffer. How much engagement went up, which posts worked best, how many followers they gained, offer upgrades. Once they were happy, I'd suggest extras, like short video ads, story highlights, extra posts during holidays. These small upgrades kept clients excited and willing to pay more. The psychology behind it. Clients don't leave when they feel they're getting more value than they pay for. By showing results and bringing fresh ideas, I made sure they saw me as a partner, not just a freelancer. The impact: some of my early clients stayed with me for 6 months. One bakery owner even recommended me to 3 other businesses, and that alone added $1,200 per month to my income without any marketing. In the next section, I'll share a bonus AI hack that doubled my earnings without taking more time. This is the secret weapon I promised at the start. Remember, in the beginning, I promised to share a secret that could double your income without extra work. Here it is. The idea: sell the same content twice. Most people create content for one client and stop there. But I realized a lot of businesses in the same niche need similar posts. Example, if I made a 5 tips for better coffee video for a coffee shop, I could slightly edit it in Canva Magic Studio, change the colors, and sell it to another coffee shop in a different city. The tools that make it easy: Canva Magic Studio, quickly change branding, colors, and logos. ChatGPT rewrite captions so they're unique for each client. This way, I was reusing 80% of the work and getting paid again. Why clients love it? Because the content is customized for their brand. They don't know it came from a similar template I used for someone else. They just see high quality, consistent posts, fast. Real example: one video idea for a bakery made me £50 from the first client, then another £50 from a second bakery, then another £50 from a third. Same concept, just rebranded. This simple hack meant I could serve twice as many clients without doubling my workload. More money, less stress. In the final section, I'll wrap everything up and give you a simple 3-step plan so you can start today. So let's quickly go over everything. I went from 0 experience to £1,000 a week using just AI tools. The formula was simple: find a service in demand, social media content for businesses. Use AI tools to work fast: Canva Magic Studio, ChatGPT, Pictory AI Buffer. Get and keep high-paying clients. Offer value first. show results, upsell. The 3-step plan for you. If you want to start today, here's exactly what I do. Pick your niche. Choose one industry like gyms, real estate, or e-commerce. Make samples with AI. Use Canva and ChatGPT to create 3 posts in one short video. Reach out. Send your samples to 20 businesses using my outreach script. If even 2 or 3 say yes, you can hit your first £500 in just a few days. My final tip: don't wait until you feel ready. I didn't know everything when I started. I learned along the way. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll make money. And remember that bonus hacks sell the same content to multiple clients in the same niche. That's how you scale without burning out. Now, it's your turn. Open Canva, open ChatGPT, and take the first step today.